Most men over 60 think it's normal Talos, their edge in the bedroom. But what if I told you the key to rock-solid erections has been sitting in your refrigerator all along? Not in a bottle, not from a pharmacy, but in the form of a simple vegetable that most men either ignore or worse, throw away. The truth is, this overlooked root can flood your body with nitric oxide. Open up stiffitaries and restore the kind of blood flow that makes your erection strong, reliable, and deeply satisfying again, even if it's been years. My name is Dr. Mohit Khera. I'm a board-certified urologist with over 3 decades of experience helping men reclaim their health, confidence, and performance. I've worked with thousands of men in their 60s, 70s, and beyond. Men who felt embarrassed, defeated, and unsure. If they'd ever enjoy real intimacy again, I'm here to tell you, you absolutely can. What's shocking is that while millions of men are reaching for pills with side effects, science is quietly proving that one vegetable can help you achieve for more erections naturally, without any prescriptions. You just have to know how to use it in the next few minutes. I'll show you exactly how this food works, how to prepare it, and the best time to take it for peak bedroom results. By the end of this video, you'll learn the exact routine I give my patients to help them feel 25 again, using nothing more than what nature already gave us. Before we dive in, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button and turn on the bell so you never miss another science-backed health tip designed specifically for men over 60. And if you find this helpful, just type "own" in the comments to let me know. If not, type 0. Your feedback helps me create content that truly supports you. Alright, let's get into it. The vegetable I've been talking about. Often overlooked yet incredibly powerful when it comes to blood flow and sexual performance is beetroot. Yes, simple beetroot. And once you understand what teat does inside your body, you'll never look at it the same way again. 1. Introducing Beetroot, Beetroot, the secret vegetable. When I first began studying the connection between food and sexual health, I never expected one of the most powerful tools for improving erections to be something as ordinary as a root vegetable. And yet, time and again, beetroot kept showing up in their search. I still remember one of my patients, 72 years old, retired Navy, sat across from me and said, "Doc, I haven't had a real erection in 5 years. My wife thinks I've just given up." Wedicked about diet, blood pressure, circulation, and I told him to start drinking a small glass of beet juice every morning. My wife thinks I'm hiding a prescription, he said. But it's just beets. The power of this simple, earth vegetable. It's not glamorous. It's not exotic, but it contains one of the most vital compounds your body needs. 4 erections, dietary nitrates, and the nitrates are converted into nitric oxide. It's a very molecule that relaxes blood vessels and allows blood to surge exactly where you need it most. In men over 60, where blood flow naturally slows down, this can be the difference between disappointment and satisfaction. The best part? You don't need a prescription. You don't need expensive supplements. You just need to know how to use beets the right way. But how exactly does this process work inside your body? What makes nitric oxide so essential to your performance as you age? And why are men over 60 often deficient in it without knowing? Let's dig deeper. To simple science why erections depend on blood and nitric oxide. I've had so many older men come into my office saying the same thing. Doc, the azar is there, but nothing happens. They often blame it on age or stress, or just assume they're out of luck. But what I always tell them is this. Thy issue isn't just in your head, it's in your blood. Literally, an erection is at its core a blood flowant. It doesn't matter if you're rust or emotionally connected. If the blood doesn't get where it needs to go, nothing happens. So, for that to work properly, 3 systems have to line up. Your heart has to pump strong. Your blood vessels have to open wide, and our body needs to produce enough nitric oxide, the molecule that signals your arteries to relax and let that blood in. Now, here's the catch. After age 60, your body naturally starts producing less nitric oxide. On top of that, your self-inflammation, poor diet, high blood pressure, or medications can damage stellening of your blood vessels, making them stiff and unresponsive. So even if everything else is working, the blood simply can't get to the right place. This is where things can get frustrating for men. You still want connection. You used to feel the drive, but your body won't follow through. That's not a lack of manhood. It's a lack of circulation. And the good news is, it can be supported naturally. So how exactly do beets change this history? How do they restore that critical nitric oxide and help blood flow like itis too? The answer might surprise you. Let's take a closer look. 3. What makes beets so special for older men? Makes beets so special for older men. The more I studied the effects of beetroot, the more I realized it was so most tailor-made for the aging male body. I remember a man named Frank, 68 years old, recently divorced, struggling to date again. He wasn't interested in pills. He said, "I want to feel like myself again, not like a science experiment." When I introduced him to the idea of using beets as part of his daily routine, he was skeptical. But within weeks, he noticed more energy, better sleep, and most importantly, he said, "I didn't just get an erection, I felt alive again." That's because beets don't just target tone problem. They work on multi-pelvals, many of which are specifically helpful for men over 60. First, they help repair the inner lining of your blood vessels called the endothelium, which naturally stiffens with age. Beets make those vessels more elastic, more responsive, and better able to carry blood. Second, beets lower blood pressure naturally, which is a huge win. High blood pressure is one of the most common and silent causes of erectile dysfunction. And third, beets enhance stamina by increasing oxygen delivery to muscles. That means more energy, not just during intimacy, but in your day-to-day life. It's not about becoming someone else. It's about returning to who you used to before aging. Stress and circulation has got in the way. And when something as natural as a beet can help you get there, it's hard to ignore, but don't just take my word for it. There's hard clinical science that backs us up. Studies that prove what thousands of older men are already experiencing firsthand. Let's look at what the research actually says. Clinical proof. Clinical proof, not just hype. I've always believed that real medicine needs more than hope. It needs proof. And when it comes to beetroot, the evidence is not only growing, it's hard to ignore. I've seen men regain their confidence using this simple vegetable, but I've also seen the science to back it up. And as a doctor, that combination is what matters most. One of the studies that really caught my attention was published in the American Journal of Physiology. In it, older adults drank beetroot juice daily for just 2 weeks. The results became significantly more flexible by over 25%, and their blood pressure dropped by nearly 20 points. That's without any medication, just beets. Another study from the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men who use beetroot regularly reported stronger erections, better performance, and a noticeable increase in morning erections, a vital marker of sexual and vascular health. What's fascinating is that these weren't young men in their 30s. These were men in their 60s and 70s, many of whom had accepted that intimacy was behind them, but the body still remembers how to respond. Nitric oxide, improvised circulation, and oxygen-rich blood all come rushing back with the help of this powerful vegetable. And unlike pills, which only mask the symptoms, beets help correct the underlying problem. The data is clear. It's the real stories are powerful. But what if you think it's too late for you? What if you're in your 70s or even 80s and wondering if this still applies? That's the question I get asked Keith most. And the answer might surprise. Let's talk about it. 5. But doc, I'm 70. Is it too late for me? I'm 70. Is it too late for me? That question hits me harder than most. I've heard it in quiet voices, often accompanied by shame, frustration, or resignation. I once had a 74-year-old patient named Walter who sat across from looking down at the floor. "Doc, you just don't think this body has anything left," he said. His eyes, a glimmer of hope, bare alive, but still alive. I told him, "Walter, it's about how old you are. It's about whether your body still has tools to respond." And trust me, it does. What many older men don't realize is that the body never fully forgets how to function. It just gets rusty. Nitric oxide levels drop. Blood vessels lose flexibility. But the infrastructure is style there waiting for the right spark. And the older you are, the more pronounced the turnaround can be, simply because there's more ground to gain back. I've seen men in their late 70s and even 80s experience noticeable improvements just from restoring blood flow and doxygon delivery. And when those first signs return, morning firmness, a sudden tingle of arousal, the confidence to reach for your partner again, it changes everything. You feel alive, present, and capable again. And know that feelingness reserved for younger men. It belongs to anyone who's willing to take the first step. So if age isn't the barrier, what exactly is? For most men, it comes down to knowing how to actually use Beets in the right form, dose, and timing. And that's what we're going to break down next. How to use Beets for maximum erection benefit 6. How to use Beets for maximum erection benefit. Beets are powerful, but like anything in medicine or nature, the arousal, their salts depend on how you use them. I've had men tell me, "Doc, I tried adding some Beets to my salad last week, but I didn't notice anything." And I gently remind them, it's not about nibbling on a slice here and there. It's about using Beets consistently, intentionally, and in the right form so your body gets the full benefit. For most of my older patients, I recommend beetroot juice or a high-quality beetroot powder mixed with water. It's easier to absorb, faster, toked, and more potent. You want around 5 to 7 ounces of fresh beet juice or 1 measured scoop of beetroot powder daily. And timing matters. I usually suggest drinking it in the morning to raise baseline nitric oxide levels through the day, or roughly 1 to 2 hours before intimacy if you're planning to be intimate that night. There's also a small but powerful trick that helps combine your Beets with something high in vitamin C, like lemon juice. This amplifies your body's ability to convert nitrates into nitric oxide. It's a simple step, but it can dramatically increase results over time. The most important part, stick with it. Most men begin to notice better blood flow, more energy, and stronger erections within 1 to 2 weeks. Beautifully, if they stay consistent. Your body needs time to rebuild what it's been losing for years now. While Beets are safe for most people, there are a couple of things you need to watch out for, especially if you're taking medications or have a specific condition. Let's quickly cover those important safety notes. Important warning. 7 important warning. Now, as much as I believe in the power of Beets, and trust me, I do, I wouldn't do my job as a doctor if I didn't give you a few important cautions. Natural doesn't always mean harmless, especially when your body is managing your conditions or medications. And while most men can enjoy Beets without any issues, there are 2 things you need to be aware of. First, don't panic if your urine or stool turns a little pink or red after eating Beets. It's called bacteria, and that's completely harmless. I've had men call me in a panic thinking they were bleeding internally, only to realize it was just the pigment from the Beets. Totally normal and nothing to worry about. Second, and this is more serious, if you've ever had kidney stones or you are currently on blood pressure medication, you'll want to talk to your doctor first. Beets are high in natural oxalates, which can contribute to stone formation in men who are prone to it. And because Beets naturally lower blood pressure, they can amplify the effects off medication and make your pressure drop too low. It doesn't happen often, but it's worth checking in. The key here is simple. Know your body, respect its signals, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Beets are incredibly effective, but your safety always comes first. Now that you know how to use them and how to use them wisely, let me show you how to take things one step further. Because when you combine Beets with a few simple daily habits, the results can be even more powerful. Let's talk about that next. Simple habits to boost results. Said. Simple habits to boost results. While beetroot is a powerful ally, I always remind my patients that no single food, no matter how potent, can fix everything on its own. The truth is, When you combine Beets with a few simple daily habits, you create a kind of synergy in the body, a momentum that makes real lasting change not only possible, but likely. And it doesn't take a dramatic lifestyle overhaul, just small, consistent actions that work in your favor. Take walking, for example. A 20 to 30-minute walk each day may not sound like much, but it improves circulation, lowers blood sugar, reduces inflammation, and enhances testosterone effect. It literally gets the blood moving to your brain, your heart, and to your most important intimate areas. I've seen men regain not only their erections, but their energy, their mood, even their sense of purpose, just be moving more than their sleep. Most men don't realize that testosterone is rebuilt at night. If you're not sleeping deeply or long your hormones never get that chance to reset. And of course, cutting back on processed sugar and fried foods can reduce artery damage, keeping blood vessels open and responsive. None of these habits are flashy, but together they create the foundation your body needs to make the most of Beetroot's benefits. It's not about being perfect, it's about showing up for yourself each day in small ways. And once these pieces start falling into place, something incredible begins to happen. You start to feel like yourself again. More energy, more confidence, and for many men, that first powerful sign thought their body still remembers how Taurus pond. And that brings us to something deeper. Something more emotionally that many men don't often talk about, but desperately need to hear. Let's go there in 09. Real talk, man to man. Real talk, man to mani. Want to step away from the science for a moment and speak to you as a man, not just a doctor. Because I know what it's like to see patients sit across from me with a heavy heart. Not just because things aren't working physically, but because of what that loss means emotionally. When a man starts struggling in the bedroom, it's not just about performance. It's about identity, confidence, intimacy, connection, and too often, silence. You might be watching this right now thinking, it's too late for me, or that part of my life is over. And I want to tell you with every ounce of honesty, it's not. Your body may be slower, you may have more gray hair and a few more aches, but your ability to love, to feel, to connect, and to perform, it doesn't disappear. Just needs the right kind of care. Beetroot is one of the simplest, most effective tools I've found to reignite part of a man's life. Combined with consistent habits like walking, better sleep, and reducing inflammation, it can help restore blood flow, rebuild energy, and bring back that feeling of being fully alive. So here's what we've covered. Erections depend on healthy blood flow and nitric oxide. Beets help restore both, especially in men over 60. They're backed by real science, real patient stories, and they work best when you see consistently and wisely. Add in daily movement, better sleep, and a few smart food choices, and the results can be life-changing. Don't give up. You're not past your prime. You're just getting started. If this video helped you or someone you care about, please take a moment to like, share, and leave a comment below. I read everyone. Your feedback keeps this channel growing and helps other men find the support they deserve. And if you'd like to support the work I do, consider donating through the link in the description. Every bit helps me create more life-changing content just for you.